All new working codes in the Grow a Garden. In today's video, I'll be showing you all the new working codes in Grow a Garden. As you guys can see, there's a little thumbs up button right now. We have 0 likes. No! 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 0 likes! Anyways, this is probably new. This is actually a new update, so you'll be able to like gardens in Grow a Garden, and there probably will be a money boost. You will probably get a money boost the more likes you have on your garden. So be prepared to buy bots and like your own garden right now. You can also follow for follow right now, guys, and you will be able to get yourself tons and tons of likes on Grow a Garden. But in today's video, we'll be showcasing you a secret code that gives you 10 likes. So there is a secret code that the developers actually added into Grow a Garden, and it's actually gonna give you 10 free likes, which is super amazing because the developers actually told me that they are releasing a secret code just for me, just to show you guys and give you 10 free likes on this new friendship update. Isn't that amazing? If you want the beanstalk seed right now, you can get it for Robux. And I'll be gifting one lucky winner one beanstalk seed today. So if you are liked, subscribed, and you did all the good things, you prayed today, you'll be getting the new beanstalk seed for free. The only actual thing that you need to do is go ahead and scroll down below and comment this exact word that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. Grow Ninja. Guys, comment down below Grow Ninja, and it will be entered into the beanstalk giveaway right now, guys, so you can actually get yourself the free beanstalk. Other than that, let's actually go ahead and show you the new code, because there is a new code that actually gives you a lot of free likes. And I don't actually want to stall anymore because it's actually getting late, and I literally have to help my mom soon with growing a garden, because she has a huge garden. I have to grow the garden every single day. I'm growing gardens. But the first letter of the code, this is a code for 10 likes. This is literally how you get 10 first likes in Grow a Garden. The first thing that you should do is like the video right now and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be going over and actually redeeming this first code, which is going to be likes, just wait, likes, like this, likes. And the second part of the code will be very simple also as well, like everybody knows this. UP, likes up, so likes up, and then ATE, you pay, wait, I did something wrong though. Okay, so you get 1S, okay, like this, 1S, and you have to do update, likes, update just like this, and then is ISERE, which is not correctly, it's HERE. So just a quick recap, it's likes here,